Hi everyone. In this video, we're going to learn how to identify cells that begin with specific letters or numbers in Excel. Here's a sample dataset that we'll be working with today. We have a list of words in column A, and we want to find out which words start with the letters A, B. We use the left function. The left function allows us to extract a specified number of characters from the beginning of a text string. In cell B1, we'll write the formula to check if the names in column A start with the letter AB. The formula is shown on the screen. The formula extracts the first two characters from the text string in cell A1 and checks if they are equal to AB. It returns true if they match and false otherwise. Now, we'll drag the fill handle down to apply this formula to the other cells in column B. As you can see, it identifies which names start with AB. Next, let's highlight those cells using conditional formatting. Select the range in column A. Go to the Home tab, click on Conditional Formatting, then New Rule. Choose Use a Formula to determine which cells to format and enter the formula shown on the screen. Click on Format, choose a font color, font style, and background fill color, and hit OK. Now, all the names that start with AB are highlighted. Try modifying some cells to see how the conditional formatting works. When you enter a word that starts with AB, the conditional formatting will highlight it. Conversely, if you change a word that begins with AB, the formatting will be removed. Note that our formula is case-insensitive, meaning it checks only the characters, not their case. If you want to highlight text that starts with specific characters while also matching the case, use the exact function instead of the equal sign. The exact function compares two text strings and returns true if they are exactly the same and false otherwise, making it case-sensitive. Modify our formula as shown on the screen. The formula checks if the first two characters of the text in cell A1 are exactly AB and in uppercase. It uses the left function to extract the first two characters and the exact function for a case-sensitive comparison. The formula returns true if they match and false if they do not. Next, let's modify the conditional formatting rule to make it case-sensitive. Select the range in column A, then go to the Home tab, click on Conditional Formatting, and choose Manage Rules. Click Edit Rule and update the formula as shown on the screen. Now, when you modify the text in column A, only the entries that start with AB and are in uppercase will be highlighted. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with others, and subscribe for more Excel tutorials. If you have any questions, feel free to write them in the comments below.